Hi dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is very interesting. I have created here super cute miniature Rakhi platter or puja thali, where I have added lots of cute objects like diya, roli chawal, then handmade cute rakhi, some sweets and the coconut. Isn't it looking very realistic? And you can just keep it as it is for showpiece in your hamper, or you can just add magnet on backside to convert this into fridge magnet. Isn't it very cool idea? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with making Rakhi thali or platter first. For this I'm taking 10 red color strips in 3mm and making one tight coil. After that I am adding 2 yellow strips in 3mm. Then I am adding total 20 red strips. After that I am connecting 4 yellow color strips. And then at the end I am adding 20 red strips again. And the big tight coil is completely ready. To create platter I have used here only 3mm strips. And after making the thali, the diameter of my base is 6.5 centimeters. So it can vary according to the thickness of your quilling strips. And the base is ready. Then I am just making a slight 3-dimensional shape from the edge. I am pulling the strips carefully towards upward side to give it nice realistic thali look or plate look, and then adding lots of glue inside this. Spread it using brush and allow it to dry. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of golden color in 2mm. You can also use 3mm here, and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of tight coils. Now taking back my plate, and on the edge of this plate I am going to add my golden tight coils to give it festive look. Then wrapping total 5 red color strips around this to complete the look. And our super beautiful festive platter base is ready. Now for the finishing touch I am just adding gold paint on top of each golden coil to highlight it little more. And now this is completely ready, super shiny. Then I am proceeding for making the Rakhis. For this, here I am taking half strip of golden color 7 mm strip, folding it twice and just create a fringe using scissors. Create as much thin as you can so that you will have nice strands to the Rakhi. And opening it, and from the white side start rolling it using quilling tool. So in short, here I am making fringe flower. Opening all the fringes carefully, flattening it by pressing in the center, and this is done. Then I am decorating it using red color stone in the center and also adding yellow thread. So here I am taking yellow color embroidery thread, just doubling it, making knot on both the sides. And exactly in the center of the thread I am sticking the Rakhi. Similarly, I have prepared one more and this is done. Now I am proceeding for the lamp. This is a oil lamp. For this I am taking two off-white color 1 mm strips and making one tight coil. Then making a dome using quilling mold, add glue inside this. Similarly, I have prepared one more, keeping it aside, and also I have created this small cone shape which is made using half strip of off-white color in 3 mm, which will come between both these shapes. So I am combining all the shapes together. Exactly in the center I am adding the super small cone shape on which I will add the flame, and also I prepared this flame using 1/4 strip of yellow color in 2 mm. I have just added little orange color in the bottom to give it realistic look. So I'm just sticking the flame exactly in the center, and this is done. Now I wanted to give it metal look, so I am coloring from outer side and also from inside using gold acrylic color. Here instead of off-white color you can also use gold strips directly, but I didn't have golden strips in 1 mm, so I have used here off-white color so that you can color it with any acrylic shade directly. And this is done. Then I am proceeding for Kumkum and Holi chawal bowls. So to create bowl, here I am taking 1½ strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one small dome shape. Just flattening the center using backside of your tool. And this is done. Add glue inside this and spread it using brush. With the same method I have prepared one more already. Then to create chawal or rice grains, here I am taking my handmade cold porcelain clay in white color and creating small grains like this. This is very interesting to create rice grains like this. So all the grains are ready. Now taking one of the bowl, add glue inside this and sticking these grains like this. Now here I am taking little bit of red color and putting it on the grain, because roli always comes with kumkum mixture. So the roli chawal cup is done. Now I am taking red color clay and filling it on another bowl, just adding little dents on the clay using needle to give it realistic kumkum look. And this is also done. So the kumkum and roli chawal are ready. Now it's time to create the sweets. So here I am taking 3 color combination of sweets. First of all, I am taking light brown color 2 mm strip. This is the one strip, and making one square shape. After that, I am taking one strip of pista color in 2 mm, making a square shape. And at the end, I am taking one strip of white color in 2 mm and making the square shape. Then I am joining all 3 shapes together to create the complete sweet. You can call it pista coconut chocolate burfi. And then just adding little bit of golden work on top of the sweet. So we need total 4 these kind of sweet pieces. Now at the end, I am starting with making the realistic coconut in miniature style. So to create the base, here I am taking 3 brown color strips in 2 mm, making one tight coil. Then making a dome shape and opening it slowly using pencil and fingers to make a deeper dome. Similarly, I have prepared one more, so opening another tight coil also to create the dome. And it should look like this. Now adding glue inside both the domes and connecting with each other. Like this, allow it to dry. Then to create the coconut strands, here I am taking jute rope piece, just opening it and separating all the strands so that you will have nice fiber. And I am covering my quilt coconut with the jute fiber to give it realistic look. So just add glue on the top, spread it nicely with brush, and one by one add jute fiber strands on the coconut. So this is completely covered. Now just chopping the excess strands from top and bottom. And the super cute mini coconut is completely ready. So all our items are ready to decorate our platter. So I'm taking back my red color plate, and one by one I will start adhering all my elements on the plate. And this is completely ready. So a beautiful and super gorgeous miniature Rakhi platter is completely done. It's looking very attractive and super cute. You can just keep it as it is as the gift inside your hamper, or you can convert this into fridge magnet by attaching the small magnet on back side as the memory of the Raksha Bandhan festival. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and if you have any new ideas, do let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.